Welcome. If you're getting too many notifications from a single post on Facebook and it's starting to feel overwhelming, don't worry, you can easily turn them off in just a few clicks on your PC. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open Facebook in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your notifications. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the notifications icon. It looks like a bell. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a list of all your recent notifications. Now scroll through the list and find the specific notification related to the post you no longer want updates from. This could be a post you commented on, reacted to, or were tagged in. When you find it, hover your mouse over that notification. You should see a small three-dot menu icon appear next to it. Click on those three dots to open more options. From the menu that appears, select the option that says Turn off notifications about this post. Once you click it, Facebook will immediately stop sending you notifications for that particular post. That's it. No more distractions from that thread. This is especially useful if a post becomes very active or starts getting a lot of comments that aren't relevant to you anymore. Instead of muting all notifications, you're just targeting the one that's bothering you. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more quick tips to manage your Facebook experience more efficiently.